Hi guys. I'm going to solve the first independent practice problem from the absolute value equations lesson. Okay, so the first step in solving an absolute value equation is to isolate the absolute value sign. In order to do that, we have to somehow get rid of that 4 in the denominator. And so the solution to that is to multiply it by its reciprocal. If you understand that that 4 is actually 1/4, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. And in doing so, on the left side, I have the absolute value of a minus 1. And on the right side of the equation, I have 8. Now, I'm going to take this absolute value. In order for me to remove the absolute value signs, I have to make it into two equations. The first is going to be the positive. And the second equation, remember there's an or between. The second equation is going to be the negative version. And remember, you are going to put a parentheses around the entire expression that is inside of the absolute value, and then you're going to put a negative outside. So let's go ahead and solve these two equations. Add 1 on both sides, so a equals 9. And then let's go ahead and distribute this negative 1, so we get a negative a plus 1 equals a. Subtract 1, negative a equals 7, divide both sides by negative 1, so a equals negative 7. So for my answers, I have a equals 9 or a equals negative 7. I need all of the space for really nothing. I can always check my work. Let's put that 9 back into the absolute value. 9 minus 1 is 8. Absolute value of 8 is 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Hey, it works. Let's put the negative 7 back in. Negative 7 minus 1, which is negative 8. But the absolute value sign makes that a positive. When it comes out of the absolute value, that's a positive 8. 8 divided by 4 is a 2. So those are my two correct answers. Yay! Good job.